Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying model and OS so you pick correct steps. This prevents mismatched instructions. Once done, unplug accessories and charge above 20% to avoid interruptions. Now perform a forced restart. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This often clears transient glitches that trigger safe mode. If the phone boots normally, check apps. If it returns to safe mode, proceed to the next slide for targeted diagnostics and app isolation steps. You need to isolate the offending app, boot normally, and immediately review recently installed or updated apps because one of them likely forced safe mode. Uninstall the most recent apps one at a time, then reboot to test. If uninstalling is extreme, disable the app and clear its cache first. That can remove conflicts without losing data. Also clear system UI cache and restart. Repeat until normal boot returns. Once stable, move to final cleanup to ensure permanent fix. If removing apps did not work, reset app preferences to restore disabled services without deleting personal data. This often clears the condition that forces safe mode. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset to eliminate deep system corruption. As a troubleshooting tip, you can boot into recovery and wipe the cache partition first. This is less destructive and can resolve persistent safe mode loops. After any reset, reinstall apps selectively to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.